Hey, welcome back to RamZland. Today I want to show you how to make a self-starting siphon using bendable straws. Check this out. All I'm using in this investigation are bendable straws, scissors, a dish, and a beaker of water. Start by selecting 3 bendable straws. Cut your first straw after bending it so this length is fairly short. Cut your second straw here so it kind of looks like it's the beginning of a capital M. Then finally, don't cut your third straw at all, but leave it at its full length. Now remove the pieces that you cut. Next, make a small cut on the inside of your first joint so that you can slide the end of your second piece inside of it. So if you pinch it, you should be able to slide the 2 pieces together. You want it to be really tight, like that. Now make another split right here, so you can slide this piece together. And again, you're just going to kind of pinch it and slide it into the straw. Just kind of cram it in there so it's airtight. That looks good. So it should look kind of like a capital M. There's some things that are important with this shape. Notice that the height of the first part of the M is lower than the height of the second. So this arch has to be a little bit lower than this arch. And this is going to be a little shorter than this straw over here. Okay, to understand how the siphon works, take a look at this bent glass pipe that I have. I'm gonna put my thumb over the end of it. I'm gonna lower it into my beaker of water. Now, watch the water level as I remove my thumb. Water's gonna rush into the glass pipe. Watch the water level rise as the water enters the pipe and it bounces up above the water level. Do you see where it is? It's slightly higher than the water level, do you see? And that's the same thing that's going to happen in our self-starting siphon. It's going to rush up and it's going to go over the first part of the capital M and it's going to gain momentum as it goes down the second part. Then it's going to rush up again and I'll have just enough momentum to get over the top of the second part of the capital M. And I'll be just a little bit higher, just like that, high enough to get over each top of the capital M. Let's try it out. Okay, here we go. Oh, look! There it goes, automatically siphoning all of that water. Isn't that amazing? Look at it. And just enough momentum to get over the top of the second arch, and that momentum carries the water down. Just awesome. A self-starting siphon. And that's it. That's your basic shape right there. I hope you enjoyed today's edition of RamZland, and I'll see you next time. If you enjoyed this presentation, be sure to remember to like and subscribe.